Good afternoon, Madam. So, what are the differences you notice in terms of your teeth, gum health and bodily just before and after this gum therapy? How do you feel about this?
Hi, my name is Yeah, I can feel the difference from the treatment on the laser and the nutrition on my body. First, I need to thank this beauty center.
Thank you.
Dr. Nisha. Actually, I had my blueprint and the gum problem is a few years, I think about 3 years like that. On and off, bite the food, my peanut and the vegetable. After the treatment, first 2 weeks, feel little bit different and feel very fast. And I feel there's a very much different. I can feel it, my tooth not swelling, not swollen. I can bite peanut like peanut. The violet is a very good nutrition. So it can stop inflammation of my body, and the doctor gave me how to take anti-inflammation food, and I follow. I feel now I'm very strong and I'm very healthy now. I'm very happy. Thank you.
That's really good to hear from you, Madam. So, during the treatment, how did you feel? Were you continuously feeling anxious? Was there any pain or discomfort during the treatment? Was it okay, comfortably you can go through the treatment?
Yes. Starting first time, because long time I never go to dentist checkup, then I feel quite worried and quite nervous. After that, I feel comfortable, and doctor is very gentle and very, very careful and slow, and then very, very good.
That's great to hear. We used music therapy for all our patients while undergoing most of the treatment, especially this gum therapy. What's your opinion about the music therapy? Did it really help you?
Yes. Wow, this music therapy is very good because I'm nervous and worried while treatment. So after put on the music therapy, it's amazing because I can enjoy the music, then I forget I cannot hear much sound. From during my teeth. I'm very happy, very great to help my body and nerves during treatment.
Great, that's great. All right, one last question. Okay, while having all these nutritions and everything, how did you feel in terms of your body health? Example, do you feel more energetic compared to before this? Do you feel healthier, much healthier right now? Can sleep well or anything? Any changes did you notice?
Yes, there's a much different change when before I take on your right. First, I got phlegm, always got phlegm when I eat something wrong food or meal is not suitable for my body, then I will feel phlegm. And then after I take the Biorex continuously, Biorex very helpful and stop a lot of phlegm. So at night I can sleep very well. Actually, really good. The Biorex is very good for my body. I will continue to take this Biorex for my life.
Thank you. Thank you so much.